Hi, good morning. My name is Madhavan. I am from Bangalore. I have been talking with you about life force or life energy or Prana or Veer. What is this? To understand a life force, I said that we need to understand certain basics of science. In that direction, we have seen already what is force and what is pressure. For example, a person who weighs 60 kilograms got a force of 60 kg. But he may have different pressures the way he stands up and lies down. When he stands up, the pressure on his legs is in the order of 60 kilo per square foot. But when he lies down, the pressure from his body is 6 kilos per square foot. Look at the difference. So pressure means how much per square foot or area. The force means the entire force, right? Pressure multiplied by area of contact will give you force. Now this is what we understand. Now we have blood pressure, right? But we don't say blood force. And we have life energy, and sometimes we call life force. And this simply indicates to you that it is something that moves. Force or energy is required for movement. The entire universe moves, so also the entire organs in the body moves. Everything is moving. As long as you move, you are alive. When the movement stops, we call as dead. So therefore, life energy is something that moves and keeps you moving. But it varies. As I told you, there is a huge energy ball, which is the universe, and tiny energy ball, that is the human body. Between that universe and the human ball, energy the energy from the universe transfers to the life energy in the body, and in the body we spend that energy in our work and in the maintenance of the body, and there is a depletion of this life energy which is compensated by the universal energy. So there is a continuous transformation of energy between the universal energy and the bioenergy. As long as the transfers are going on, you are alive. When at some point of time, if this transfer stops, then we are dead. What really happens? Nothing. Life energy escape from the body and become Right? Now let us see how we can keep this life energy going on with us, and it helps us as long as we live. Because the strength of the life energy and the quantity and quality of life energy determines your happiness. Or for some reason the energy is depleted and comes down, then your trouble starts. You feel pain, you feel depressed, you feel unhappy, you become sad, you become sick. So life energy is something which is very vital to us. Therefore, it is necessary to understand this. Now let us take the example of electricity. Electricity is supplied to our house, but it comes with a voltage. In our house we have 220 volts, but when you go to the nearby transformers, it doesn't give you 220, it gives you much more. In your house it is 220 volts. As long as 220 volts is there, then your system and all which are designed to work for 220 volts, they work beautifully. Now those 220 volts in electricity is called the voltage or the potential difference or the pressure. What is pressure for us is voltage in electricity. Why I need to say all this is because human life energy works in the body at different levels and at different ways. It works as a magnetic pressure. It works as electrical charge, and it works as electromagnetic waves. It works as ionic exchange. It works as mechanical system with the leverages and linkages. It works as a binocular microscope through the eyes. It works as sound wave receptors. It works as a taster, smeller, and the atmospheric pressure sensor. So all these things happen in the body through the sensors, and there are 5 elements in the universe which we know as the Akash, the air, the fire, water and earth. And these 5 elements are there in the body, and the transfer of that 5 elements goes to the body. The body has Akash, that is the life force or life energy. It has air circulation, which is the respiratory system, and then it has the heat circulation, which is the nervous system. It has the water or the blood circulation system, and it has the flesh and bones, earth. Now, how the transfer takes place? It takes place through the sensors or sensory organs like skin, tongue, nose, eyes, ears. This can be considered as a kind of a transformers that is built around the body to receive the universal energy and convert them as 5 main activities in the body. They are: number 1 is the pressure. Skin is the one which can sense the pressure. When somebody touches you, you know, oh, somebody is touching me. It is the pressure. So now a part of the universal energy is converted to pressure, and a part is converted as a sound wave or air circulation. We are able to hear things now. Then comes the light waves through the eyes. We can see, right? Then through the tongue as a taste, we are able to differentiate the taste. And each taste has a different energy level, right? And then the nose for the smell. Now, besides these 5 sensory organs, we also have the 6th organ called mind or consciousness. And on all the 6, our energy is spent. Life energy is spent. So we receive life energy from the universal energy. They also come in 6 different ways. One is the pressure energy, right? Another one is the food, water, air, rays and radiations, and consciousness. Those energies come, they are used in the body, the body energy is reduced, and again that fills up. This keeps on going. As long as the energy is used up, you receive energy. If you don't use up and it stagnates, then you stagnate, right? And therefore, there should be a continuous use, exchange, transformation of energy. Only then the life energy, life force will keep on working for us. Okay, friends. Now, in the next video, we will see something more in electricity, and then magnetism, and then ion exchange, and finally we will understand what life energy is. Thank you. All the best. Have a nice weekend. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.